to know to get started with the Nikon D500. In the box, you'll find the camera, a battery, a charger, an external, USB cable, and documentation. We'll walk you through setup and recommend some accessories that will help you get the most out of this camera. Once you've done the basics to get your camera ready to go, let's dive in. If your camera didn't come with a lens, we recommend Nikon's 16 to 80mm f2.8 to 4 as a standard zoom. It's designed for the APS-C format and offers excellent image stabilization. For portraits, you can use the D500's crop factor to your advantage. Nikon's 80mm f1.4 provides high quality. We also recommend budgeting for an additional battery. The D500's battery life is good. It can drain if you're shooting a lot of pictures. The D500 doesn't have a the Nikon SD500 uses a main light source or as a command for your additional flash. It can also act as a video player. The D500 has two card slots, one for the common secure digital media and one for newer XQD cards. If you want to shoot a lot of fast action or film 4K video, we recommend using XQD because of the increased read and write speed. Let's dial in the image quality settings. If you're planning on using the D500 to shoot a lot of sports and fast action, it might be sensible to stick with JPEG. But to make the most of the camera's sensor, we like RAW. In RAW mode, we recommend setting the file type to 14-bit lossless compressed. For the best of both modes, you can select RAW plus JPEG, but that comes at the cost of memory. The D500 can also shoot 4K video. Because the crop factor portraiture, especially children that can't sit still. For more information about the Nikon D500, including a deep dive into all its key features, visit us online at dpreview.com.
The new Lumix G7, the one introducing 4K to everyone. Latest 4K processing and mirrorless technology. In a compact and intuitive design, providing touch focus technology with the latest high-speed autofocusing. Recording video in stunning 4K resolution. And now with the new 4K photo, you can extract, show and save the perfect frame out of the 4K video sequence easily on the camera. Never miss a perfect moment. The new Lumix G7, the one introducing 4K to everyone.
As the much anticipated replacement of the D300S, it does not disappoint. The D500 features a 153-point autofocus system, 99 of which are cross-type. The autofocus points are linked to a 180,000 pixel metering sensor, providing class-leading subject tracking. With continuous shooting speeds of 10 frames per second and a 200-shot RAW buffer, the D500 is aimed at action photographers who don't mind the smaller APS-C sensor format and might even appreciate the extra reach. SnapBridge, continuously connected Bluetooth wireless system, makes for simple information about the Nikon D500 and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.